Welcome back, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I made $100 trading ES as an unprofitable trader. Let's get into it. First thing I noticed is that ES only took out this low and NASDAQ took out this high. So the first thing I noticed is that we have an SMT from this high to where we're at from NASDAQ. So that's, ES is already more bearish order flow. We have a fair value gap on this market open candle. We inverse that gap. We have our liquidity sweep on ES and NASDAQ. This is the liquidity sweep on ES. That's a liquidity sweep on NASDAQ. And that's also how I got my bearish SMT. We also have this equilibrium. Tap into that equilibrium, come back out. And pretty much I go down to the 1 minute. I see that we have a gap right here on the 1 minute. And honestly, I think we're going to at least grab these lows real quick. Especially on the, 1 minute. So I'm pretty sure I enter short right here. I put my stop loss either, I think it might have been here. Let me check the 5 minute. Yeah, I think it was right there. Maybe a little bit higher because of that gap that's about to form. I was targeting at least that. I know that. This is Friday's price action, by the way. I had something like that going on. I was really trying to target that as my main target of the day. And then I also had this one and this one. So these were my targets I entered. I take my first partials. I go break even. And what happens? Tagged out. Runs in my second. And that's where the liquidity sweep happened to go higher on the day. So, I mean, it was pretty much a break-even day. I was in this thing for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes as soon as I tagged this, I went break-even and I got tagged out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I made $100 trading ES as an unprofitable trader. Peace.